My people, una do. Una way don't they come my channel before, welcome back. If not today, na the first way they reach my channel. Say na today be the first way they take your two kuro I see me na this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue, make I just remind you, say, see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Na so. So for today's video, I want to talk about this girl. What did they call her now? What did they call her? Regina. Yeah? Regina Daniels. Regina, I go put the girl picture of her. Regina Daniels. I go put her for screen. I go put her name on. Regina Daniels. This is just all over internet, Facebook or Instagram or everywhere, YouTube. They say the girl they marry. They say the girl they marry man. We use how many years? They say the man are 59. I be waiting they talk 59. The girl are 19. So 59, 19. 59, 40 years. Now they senior the girl. They say now would the girl they marry, but the girl not say the girl never confirm am. She just do one post. I check her Instagram. What did she even write? She say something. What did she even write? But she don't really talk say that true or not be true. But make I talk with me. I want talk. You know say me I always get with me. I want talk for. With me I want talk for the matter. As I see the thing, as the girl never agree say so we don't know whether not true. But let's say maybe not true or even another person. Even if not be true, but think another person say 19-year-old girl won't marry 59-year-old man. My own say, you see, I get children. I get 3 teenage girls. 3. Maybe my prayer make any of my pikin say you want go marry my way takes 40 years. This senior. Not be my prayer at all. Not be my prayer at all. I go pray make them marry their at least person still near their age small. Maybe person be say reach to be their grandfather. Not be my prayer. But even on top of that one, truth na say, at the age of 19, you don't get right to decide what you want to do with your life. Whether you make mistake or you don't make mistake, na your choice. 19-year-old girl, no be tata. You dey hear? But na still small pikin in a way, but no be tata. You get the right. In many countries, 18 years now be age of consent. So you get the age to decide what you want to do. Na crime, no be crime. Na sin, no be sin. People they say now the girl, what they do? The thing I say, when I talk from here till Jesus Christ come back. If the girl say want marry the man, you know concern una. Police no go arrest the man because she reached the age to decide what she want to do. She the year. So another thing again, because when I go Insta blog Naija, people they leave for comments say no wonder she can't they pretend. No wonder she can't they pretend like say na what they call a home video. What they call a acting of movie na make her get money. She just can't no wonder she they do like say do. I go check her Instagram. The girl no talk anything. Say how they take make money. See where her money they come from. He never one day talk and say now here my money they come from. So and so person I they bankroll my project. She no talk anything like that. She just they show say see what I get. No be say me I they support me person they still show say my car. See no be say they support that one. I just they narrate as the story be. So she they show off, but she no tell anybody waiting where they see what they show off. Another thing where I want talk again. Now say we for Nigeria, we always feel say people owe us to explain to us where their money they come from. Now lie you. Nobody owe you to tell you where their money they come from. Nobody owe you that. Make I tell you, forget say jaga too much for our country. But the truth be this: for country where they organize, where they get law and order. Should they hear me? If person they make money where they suspect her, pata na go report to police say this person I no understand. Say the way they make money I no understand. Now the worst way you go do. If you report the person, police go do their investigation. They go do their investigation. Pata they go do investigation. The person go show them where the money they come from. It go end for there. Should here. No only government person supposed to explain to where money for the come. Nobody want to a neighbor say I must tell my neighbor where my money they come from. It's a lie. Should be this YouTube way they do. Some Nigerians some Nigerians get YouTube channel. They know they show their face. No only their voice you go to hear. They go to narrate story of what they happen for news. Narrate one thing. They go to talk what happen for here. They know they show their face. Their neighbors now no go know say that they do YouTube. Or they know say this person buy motor. This person just buy this. They don't go know where the money they come from. For your mind, I go say that my neighbor, you know they come up for house, but if they buy this, they buy that. No, it must be amber, it must be this. Now lie. If they make that kind of person now they making money for YouTube. Inside your house, if they make video, they sit down, they talk, they make video, they make money. Pata, you go report that kind of person to police. Police come, the person go to police say, I they do work online, I they do YouTube, I they do this one. Now take my money for the come. For normal country, report the person, government will investigate. After government investigate finish, government go leave the person say, we don't see where money they come from. Government go leave the person. But some of our people they think say, when your neighbor they make money, your neighbor must come to the street and tell the whole street where the money they come from. Now lie. They don't owe you that one. What about people where they win lotto? Some people they win lotto, they don't go tell anybody where their money for come. You go just say that the level don't change. If you go report that kind person to police, police go their house, go check. Or you show us your proof. The person go tell police. Police go to finish. Police go their own, leave there. Police don't even get right to announce to the whole world, say, hey, we don't investigate. Now so they make their money. So, but just our mentality say, if person don't tell you where the money they come from, you know, they. Now lie, nobody owe you that. Nobody owe you that. So some people, they make comment for Insta blog, Naija say, the girl, know, they declare where her money they come from. You know, owe you that one. You know, owe you that explanation. You know, be your business. Now try to tell you, no be your business. Now government work, government won't investigate, make they go investigate. They investigate finish. If she commits crime, they lock her up. If they not commit crime, you go leave them alone. Don't make her come back to this matter. You know, say sometimes, me I talk true. You know, say money is sweet. You know, young girls see, I not talk. We don't know that this is not true. But even if not true, because see, many young girls now go say they don't want young boys because they are age mates. Take a 19-year-old. If you date, let's say 20-something-year-old boy, where the boy, many 20-something-year-old boy never reach anywhere for life. Where she go see that cat? So then, what they cause the temptation? No, besides they support her, I just explain what they cause all this temptation. She feel just say, oh my, if not true, you know, Nazama go they treat her. They go they carry her like egg like this, like princess. Now that one they sweet many girls. They like my way go carry them like princess. But all the people they leave comment up and down. If not then, they go quick rush follow the man. They go quick rush follow the man. No be money. What money they cost for this life? Never see anything. What money they cost? Me as I did so. Man wey use 40 years senior me. I no sure say I go for am. May I tell you the reason? I no sure say I go for am. I don't mind small age gap, but this one it too much. It too much. My children. I don't talk before for my. I don't talk before. If my children grow up, go do what me I don't like, my own are to give advice, I go leave them. Now their life. Not because they first children, they must do this. No, not their life. You understand? My own I say, put prayer. After that one, nothing if you do again. Show you the year. But make I tell you, any young girl where they watch me, may I give you reason where it no good. Make you go marry my way you 40 years senior you. Show you the year. Listen to me. I no be small picking at 42. This year now I go be 42. I no be small picking. So if you make they talk, make you the list is small. I no be small picking. I don't this, you know, I don't do this life for a long time. They say full at 40 and full forever. I don't pass 40. I'm supposed to still get more sense. Show you the year. Make I explain to you why it no be good idea. You be young guy they watch why it not to be good idea. It depends on what you they look for this life. Money no be everything. Show you the year. 40-year-old man. Show you go still follow and born. I be you no go born. I be you no plan to born at all. If you want born, you can't born with 40-year-old man. 40, 50, 15, 49, 15, 59, almost 60. She be 59, they call her. But did they ever say be the man age? Make I check again before I talk with you no correct. 59, 40 years age gap. Think of that. 40 years age gap, Yeah, 40 years age gap. So you go born, you no go born. Okay, if you want to born with my way, 40 years, 60-year-old man. How many more years the man get for this life? We don't know because my God, they give long life. But not be just make person they alive. Person we still they fit to follow Pikin play football, follow Pikin play. Don't be say go be like a grandpapa to the Pikin. You good make person born Pikin early. 60-year-old man. I don't know God now they give life. But think of that 60-year-old man, how many years it go be? By the time the Pikin go be 10 years. By the time the Pikin go be only 10 years, the man are 70. How the man go take do active, you know, papa thing, follow Pikin where he take how many years this senior. 70-year-old man go come they attend the what they call a parents teachers meeting. Yeah, all those kind of things where papa they do with Pikin. Think that one. By the time the Pikin go be 15, how old the man go dey? No those kind of things you go they think say you go come raise this Pikin by yourself without no matter what you would they like as a mother you go like make your Pikin get that relationship with your father. You understand the So think at that age now grand Pikin that man supposed to be born now. We be say no being they responsible for the children. Money no be everything. They go still make that past they young, they still do what other children papa of their age they fit do. That now one. Another one again, now say man we done 60. How many more years? I don't talk again on a God now they give long life. How many more years the man go there around? You now, before you know, I don't know how many years God will give the man. You won't go be you go call if you can go quick be widow. I been at that one you they look for because it depends if you it depends on they talk another thing I say it depends on what woman find go. If woman say na money I just find I don't care. As long as I have the money. But the thing I say if you have the money you define na your choice. But the thing I say you go if you can go be quick be widow at very young age. She understand at very young age. Not that one because but if not love, person say I love somebody, I want marry her. As you love this person, ask yourself, you know, I don't know, but all these kind of things, husband and wife relationship, how many more years the man get? Now God to give long life for. No those kind of things you would think. You understand? Me I feel say person with all 60, don't they round up. You know, picking with the bottle they just they start. You know, as that at your age 19, you don't they gather momentum to really want to do life. Person we don't 60 don't they round up. And not to say go die today or tomorrow, but now the normal nature, you don't they round up so okay, I don't this, I don't pass this stage, I don't go, I don't this, I don't that. The person we don't 60 don't they round up. If you marry person we don't 60, how many more years you get to spend with you? No those kind of things you would think. You understand? No those kind of things you would think. Money good. And that's what they talk, say that money. But at the same time, not choice. They say love. You know, say love, no age. Sometimes, so person young girl say I don't fall in love. No matter what you talk, you know, go here. Here, because you know, say sometimes all these old men, they really look after young girls, where they go look after them. The girl no go even care what they papa talk because of that love with the man they show. This, you know, I just use them as an example for any other person where they that kind of situation. My own, no, I no get time to stigmatize somebody. When I say stigmatize, how do they talk about PG? To come they laugh person because they marry old person. Not my business. See, in this life, not the way you go do it, people no go laugh you. You marry my way too tall, they go say, hey, what did they do with this ogolonto? Marry my way too short, they go say, what did you do with this short man? You marry my way too fat, they go say, what did you do with this fat man? If you marry, no matter what, people go still talk. My what I want to explain, I say, people, we need to realize, say, people get choice to do what they want to do. I no believe into the laugh people, carry another person matter for head. This one are their life. If you don't support the idea, but we need to respect other people's decision. What they want to take their life to do, may they take and do. And my own opinion be that. So what me I see for the matter, and I say, as she like me, she do. Now her life, no be my life, no be your life. We leave them, may they do what they want, take their life do. Personally, I no go advise her. So that's why me I see this matter. Me as I see her, they post up and down. I say me I can share her. I know support the idea. I know support, but my own I say I they like to leave people to live their own life. The only thing if you give somebody an advice, leave them, make them live their own life. Me I get my own life to live. I know my own mistakes where I don't make for past. Where I did here today now, I go still look back say, hey, what was I thinking? You know, many things for my life I go say, I make mistake for that decision. I make mistake for that decision. But now my decision, I can always blame myself and I may make the mistake. You understand? But at the end of the day, my mistake. Yeah. This girl now, so me as this year, now her decision. Anything she want to, now her choice. She no be small picking again. If she say now old man, I won't marry. Make it they marry. So how una see the matter? Because no forget, say no be crime. No be sin. No part of Bible give us age. No part of Bible give us all the different ages from where person go take marry. Now so me I see I'm old. Now so me I feel I no pray for that cat for my children. You wait they watch me, waiting be your own opinion about this matter. Make you leave your own opinion for comment section below. As I don't talk rich like that, I go leave her for there. Until next time, my people, now do watch my video. Until next time, now bye bye you, now bye bye.